Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot with OPPO Find N2 Flip. And to do this you will need to open any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case we're gonna go for settings. You can open even a web page if you like. Now let's hold the combination of a volume down key and a power key at the same time. That way we'll make a screenshot. Now press on the scroll. It should begin to scrolling down entire page. You can click on done whenever you like, when you're satisfied with the amount of a screenshot. But here we reached the bottom of the page and we can click on done. Click on a screenshot. And as you can see, it's a full page scrollable screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.